Ever wondered how Alexa understands your commands or how Google translates entire web pages from one language to another? This isn't magic, but the workings of a remarkable field of artificial intelligence known as large language models, or LLMs for short. These advanced systems, teeming with millions or sometimes billions of parameters, are designed to comprehend and generate human language with an astonishing degree of sophistication. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of large language models. The architecture of LLMs is a marvel of modern technology. These colossal constructs of artificial intelligence are typically built upon a foundation known as the transformer model. Imagine a grandiose building, each brick representing a layer of the model, interacting and communicating to understand and generate human language. This is where the concept of attention mechanisms comes into play. It's like a spotlight that illuminates specific words or phrases in a sentence, giving them more importance and relevance in the context of the sentence. This mechanism allows large language models to understand nuances and complexities in human language, from sarcasm to metaphor, and everything in between. It's like the model is attentively listening to a spoken conversation, focusing on each word in order to derive meaning and context. The architecture of these models is just the beginning. Let's move on to understanding how they are trained. Training a large language model is like teaching a child to speak, but on a much larger scale. Imagine a child devouring books, articles, and web pages, grasping the nuances of language from this massive corpus of text. That's precisely how we train these models. We expose them to vast datasets filled with billions of words in different languages, styles, and contexts. This extensive exposure allows the model to learn the intricate patterns of our language, the way words connect and interact to create meaning. Once the model has gorged on this linguistic feast, we fine-tune it for specific tasks, whether it's translation, summarization, or question answering. This fine-tuning process is akin to sharpening a tool, honing the model's skills to perform specific tasks with precision. Then comes transfer learning, the model's ability to apply the knowledge gleaned during pre-training to a variety of tasks. It's like our child now using their language skills to write a poem, solve a riddle, or even write a novel. Training these models is an intensive process, but the results are nothing short of amazing. With their impressive architecture and training, large language models are capable of remarkable tasks. These cognitive powerhouses excel at understanding and generating human language in all its complexity. Imagine a world where language barriers cease to exist, where LLMs translate languages, summarize lengthy texts, and answer questions with accuracy and ease. But their prowess doesn't end there. They are also the creative minds behind text generation. From penning the next great novel to generating code, these models are revolutionizing content creation. They're the secret sauce that makes your chatbot interactions smooth and almost human-like, enhancing our everyday digital experiences. Beyond our desktops, they're making waves in the scientific community too. They're assisting in data analysis, aiding in medical diagnosis, and even contributing to groundbreaking scientific research. But, as powerful as these models are, it's important to be aware of the ethical concerns surrounding their use. In the world of artificial intelligence, power comes with responsibility. The rise of large language models, or LLMs, has not been without its ethical dilemmas. As these models learn from vast amounts of data, they can inadvertently integrate biases present in their training material. This could range from gender or racial biases to subtle biases in how certain topics are treated. It's a pressing concern that needs to be addressed through transparent and fair machine learning practices. Moreover, there's the issue of moral quandaries. The ability of LLMs to generate realistic and convincing text could be misused to create deepfakes or spread misinformation, a threat that must be mitigated by robust ethical guidelines. Privacy, too, is a critical concern. As LLMs become more adept at generating human-like text, the potential for misuse in creating harmful or intrusive content cannot be overlooked. To ensure the responsible use of these powerful AI systems, a balance must be struck between innovation and regulation. Ethical guidelines and regulatory policies are crucial to ensure that the benefits of LLMs outweigh the risks. Looking ahead, the future of LLMs is a fascinating landscape of endless possibilities. With ongoing research and development, these models are becoming more sophisticated, capable, and versatile. Innovations in addressing ethical concerns, reducing biases, and improving performance are on the horizon. The future of large language models is as exciting as it is complex, promising to revolutionize how we communicate and solve problems.